I bet you guys can't tell where we're going based off of Dana's outfit. Just kidding, you already cheated and saw the video title. We're going to Animal Kingdom. It's my first visit. It's gonna be amazing. It's the tree of life, and it moves us all with its beautiful shape and its gorgeous leaves. Right? Right? That's the song for the Tree of Life?
Sure. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Theme song for Animal Kingdom. Make this a thing. We're looking for our friend Casey. She works here. Do you see her? Casey. Casey, Casey. Oh, Casey. Where is Casey? Do you see her? Where? I don't see anyone. Casey! Casey! You saw her go back there? Mm-hmm. We're cast members.
No. You're a guest today. Well, we can come back. Yeah.
We'll come back for you, Casey. I'm seeing my life flash before my eyes.
No, it looks awesome.
These two Goonies are taking me on Expedition Everest.
It is so much fun.
And I'm going to die. So everyone who's watching this, I enjoyed knowing you. And I want to say how much I love you. Family, friends, Riley. I give everything to my dog Riley. He is my soulmate. And yes, I hope to see you in the afterlife. So long, everyone. So miraculously, by Miggy's magic, I'm still alive. A little shaky in the knees, but that was okay. That was okay. I highly recommend it. We're gonna go meet Tarzan. Who's excited? No. No one's excited? Okay. I'm excited. That's all Dana cares about. No. Is that her?
No, it's not.
No. We're trying to find Casey again because apparently Tarzan is by Pete Safari. And that's where Casey is. So, Casey, enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself, woman.
Watch somebody walk across the street. Yeah.
Gosh darn it. Every single time. Every single time.
Hello.
We finally found her. Finally.
I came to see Tarzan, but I'm sweeping too.
Yeah.
Undercover working. Yep.
Oh my
He's right there. You
God.
guys.
So nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Yeah, so nice
I know
to
he's
meet
right
you.
there. I've seen him like 3 times. I walk by him like,
Dana only wants to meet him because he's not wearing a shirt.
I understand.
It leaves.
Doesn't give you gifts.
Oh.
Oh, thank you.
Oh. Thank you. Thank you.
Who are we meeting now, Michelle? Pocahontas! Have you practiced your Wingapa?
Tell me about your adventures. What have you done so far?
We met Tarzan.
We did. And I almost died on Expedition Everest.
You almost died.
I did.
How was that?
I almost died.
Festival of the Lion King.
Hi, everybody. Hey, Pumbaa, Timon. Am I in the right section? Come on, Lions. Let's show Simba where he is. 1, 2, 3. Yep, it's the lion section, all right. Hey, guys, it looks like we're all here. Let's go!
Let each go out and sing. Let's hear it in the hurly of the wind. It's gonna be King Simba's finest fling. Oh, I just can't wait. All together now. 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Those are all correct.
Simba! concludes my first ever trip to Animal Kingdom. Gotta say, definitely my second favorite park. I mean, I haven't gone to like all of them yet. I haven't gone to Epcot and Unlimited Hollywood Studios once, briefly, but I did like it a lot. I still love Magic Kingdom the most because that's when the kid in me comes out, but Animal Kingdom is very much like a zoo and I love zoos. The theming is great and all around it's just great and I loved everything that we did. It was a fantastic day. So totally awesome, and I realized you never got a really good look at my outfit. Since we went to the Festival of Lion King, I knew I had to wear my Lion King leggings. They are awesome. Get them at Wet Seal, I think, is where I got them. I just paired it with the simple navy blue tank top, and there is Simba. He's roaring at, you know, Mufasa up in the clouds. Coolest moment of the film, probably. Pro tip to any future DCPers, get yourself a magic band. It's so much easier than using your Managers Pass all the time because it's just simply strap it on and go. All right, Molly out. I will see you in my next adventure. Bye, guys.